Cowabunga Cranked.
Scheisse. On emergency power, the guard's computer only shows local files, and I have no desire to see what he got up to in his spare time.
Please stand by.
Okay, we need main power resources central database so that we find Maya's brother Nathan.
The years inside left me with a lot of pent-up anger. Nice to have some things to take it out on. Another science project bites the dust.
Ordered anchovies!
Amp unit energized. Area 1 online.
Let there be light. Pardon the cliche, but we must celebrate while we can.
Helipad's got power now. When I can get the bird off the ground, you'll be the first to know.
Needs hot sauce!
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
I don't wish to sound ungrateful, Peck, but your timing for this rescue mission is not ideal. Hey, I don't know why this outbreak happened, but I've spent half my life in the breeze of shit-covered fans.
Work out your differences, or at least ignore them till we get shit under control! Tossing concussion!
Amp unit energized. Area 2 online.
I'm afraid Dr. Modi escaped in a mini-sub. Your warhead. Clever. He has my warhead. I should take credit for my genius. The accolades, the awards, they should be mine.
If you are what you eat, then I'm 5 pounds of pepperoni. Needs hot
Security
sauce!
files list Dr. Ravity Modi is the head honcho here. That's, slightly alarming. If you had spent the last 6 years here, Peck, you'd be more than slightly alarmed.
Whatever you think of her, Peck, she's a lot worse. Believe me. Russian with a ray gun. I think I have a title for my memoirs.
If you are what you eat, then I'm 5 pounds of pepperoni.
Of all the people who could have broken us out, I have to say, yours was the last fucking face I wanted to see.
That's me, you shit.
Here, I thought you'd been counting the days since the last song. Rest assured, I'm not doing this to make friends. I need you need me. Simple as
Dirt,
that.
you flying sack of shit! So everything we did to get this under control meant nothing. It's all unraveling again.
Are you surprised? Our former director had 6 years to poke from the dark. Personally, I have anticipated this for some time.
Now that is do-it-yourself pest control.
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
Even after all these years, I can't help but wonder if Ravanoff was not alive. Or if the director got him too.
Our Russian friend is a survivor. I am confident he's still out there, somewhere, being all dark and moody.
I don't think Strauss ever figured out how this machine works.
Interesting. Encrypted filing database written by Technical Officer Anya Tanovsky. Clever things can this secret workshop that, quote, can be found if you're so inclined, though most will be refused.
Guys! Hot, hot, hot! Don't forget to have fun, bros!
That's right. You hit me, I hit back. It really boils my piss knowing this Frankenstein shit show was financed by Uncle Sam.
With proper funding, a motivated scientist will go to any length in the name of research. Not that I have any personal experience.
Later, dudes!
Insta-kill!
Needs hot sauce.
Heads! You lose.
Okay, first one out buys the pizza. Pizza with crust.
All right, man. What's your plan?
Any way you
Really?
slice it, pizza
Don't
is
tell me
life.
you changed.
I didn't lie. Richtofen stole my life's work. To make him pay, I need your help. Which is nice, because you need mine.
It's been swell. Whoa, and people say I'm cheesy.
Ray said that thinning a herd is good for the planet. Can't argue with science.
Max ammo.
I'm like a cockroach. Apocalypse proof.
Oh, yuck! Who ordered anchovies? Ready? Let's begin. Any way you slice it, pizza is life.
Hey, eyes are here! Let me know if you want to make a quick exit.
If you are what you eat, then I'm 5 pounds of pepperoni.
Oh, god damn, don't expect me to bury you too.
Until next time. About time, I'm starving. Whoa, and people say I'm cheesy.
Healing up. It looks as crazy as I feel. This should work. Speed kills?
Must come
You bet
immediately.
your ass it does.
We require an exit.
Angle back, you son of a bitch.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna need to clear the dance floor.
Who wants an omelet? I'm cracking lots of eggs. Sorry, no coop discounts.